We frequently use apps like Ola, Uber, and Rapido to book cabs. On 1st July 2025, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways announced new rules for cab services. It is called Motor Vehicles Aggregator Guidelines 2025, MVAG 2025. Yes, there's an update. What is it? I'll tell you. It is seen that Ola, Uber, and Rapido often hike fares during peak hours, such as office hours, and charge normal rates otherwise. Online cabs also raise fares during heavy rains or when meter taxi and auto drivers are on strike. The increase in fare means that, for example, if the normal fare is rupees 100, but during morning, night strikes or heavy rains, there is a 1.5 times surge pricing, which means that a fare of rupees 100 increases to rupees 200. Now they can charge up to 2 times the base fare, that is rupees 200 for rupees 100. Yes, this has now been updated. Whether it is morning, night, a strike, or any unusual situation, they can increase the fare. Do you know what does surge pricing mean? The fare is decided on three grounds. One, it refers to the standard fare usually charged for daily commutes under normal conditions. When the demand for cabs is higher than the cabs that are available, leading them to increase their fares. Third, sometimes there's low demand and no cabs get booked at all. In such cases, they often offer a 50% discount on the fare. Hence, it is important to create this balance. This is now clear. This is the way the economy will be benefited. The cab drivers work hard yet earn very less. They should earn fairly for their rides, waiting time, and other services provided. This way, they can manage expenses, save money, and help keep the economy flowing. In many cities, Uber and Rapido bike services are available. Earlier, Karnataka had Uber and Rapido bike services, but later banned them due to frequent accidents and irregularities. But now Karnataka may reconsider it. It saves time, reduces traffic, and is more environment friendly. However, it is still undecided whether private bikes with white plates booked online will be required to use yellow number plates like Ola and Uber taxis for commercial use. Metered autos charge different rates per kilometer in different cities. Mumbai and Delhi charge similar rates. It is usually rupees 18 to rupees 21 per kilometer. For bookings made through Rapido, Ola, and Uber, whether for cars or bikes, the first 3 kilometers are always charged. The first 3 kilometers are always charged even if the trip is shorter, whether you travel 1.5 kilometers or 2 kilometers. Fare stays fixed for up to 3 kilometers and increases accordingly beyond that. This is to cover the payment to driver, the company, taxes, and other such payments. They do this to ensure steady economic growth. This price hike also focuses on safety, fairness, and transparency. 1. All cab and bike drivers of Ola, Uber, or Rapido must have 5 lakh rupees health coverage. and 10 lakh term insurance for accidental death. Second, all cabs must have real-time GPS tracking device with the VLTD, vehicle location tracking device. Third, all cab and bike drivers receive customer ratings, whether it's 4, 5, or 3 stars. Amongst the total drivers are some who drive poorly. Those drivers must be trained every 3 months for better performance, and at least once a year for good drivers to avoid uncertainties. Excellent. Fourth, if the driver cancels the ride after accepting, he shall be liable for penalty. It'll be around 10%. If the ride cost is rupees 1000 and the driver cancels the ride, he shall be liable for a penalty of rupees 100 or less. If a passenger cancels the ride, the same penalty applies. Fifth, companies must set up a 24/7 helpline system. So if a booking fails, the customer can file a complaint and receive redressal. A phone number or email should be provided for filing complaints. Sixth, cab companies must clearly provide information on distance, fare breakdown, driver details, and other relevant details. Seventh, ride data like the number of vehicles operated, passengers, etc., must be available to the government if needed. Eighth, states must also encourage electric vehicles and e rickshaws. This will reduce pollution and encourage more bookings of such vehicles in the future. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has asked all states to decide on the fare pricing independently. This was announced on 1st July 2025 and was set to be adopted by October 2025. It is unclear whether it will be implemented by 1st November as it is a time consuming process. Why was MVAG 2025 rules announced? Drivers will receive fair pay for their hard work, which in turn will help boost the economy. This way, the drivers will be encouraged to safely drive and earn well. Do you think doubling the fare is justified? Or the old practice should be followed? Is surge pricing justified for them to earn better? Share your thoughts in comments.